Test for carboxylic acids. Chemicals required: 1. Sodium carbonate solution. 2. Lime water. 3. Analyte substance, I'm using acetic acid. 4. Sodium metal. 5. Empty beaker. First test. This bottle contains sodium metal. Take a small piece of sodium metal from bottle. Pour around 15 milliliters of acetic acid in beaker. Add a small piece of sodium to the beaker contain acetic acid. As you see, sodium reacts with acetic acid to produce hydrogen gas. Below, there is chemical equation for this reaction. Organic compounds which react with sodium to form hydrogen gas is carboxylic acids and alcohols. Confirmatory test. Pour 15 milliliters of acetic acid in filter flask. Fix thistle funnel on filter flask like this. Pour 25 milliliters of sodium carbonate solution in thistle funnel. Sodium carbonate solution. Pour around 10 milliliters of lime water in test tube. Open thistle funnel to allow sodium carbonate solution to flow. As you see, organic acid reacts with carbonate ion to produce carbon dioxide gas. Carbon dioxide gas produced is conducted in test tube contain lime water. Lime water and carbon dioxide react to form white precipitate of calcium carbonate. This mixture of calcium carbonate and water is also called milk solution. Organic compound which reacts with carbonate ion to form carbon dioxide is carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid is confirmed. Lime water is solution of calcium hydroxide. It reacts with carbon dioxide to form calcium carbonate. The calcium carbonate insoluble in water and it appears as white precipitate. Below, there is chemical equation for this reaction. I'm going to repeat the reaction between acetic acid and sodium carbonate to show you clearly formation of effervescence during reaction. To the test tube add 2 milliliters of analyte solution. In this experiment I'm using acetic acid. To the test tube contain analyte solution add sodium carbonate solution. As you see, acetic acid react with sodium carbonate to form effervescence of carbon dioxide gas. Let us watch again formation of effervescence. To the test tube add 2 ml of analyte solution. In this experiment I'm using acetic acid. To the test tube contain analyte solution add sodium carbonate solution. As you see, acetic acid react with sodium carbonate to form effervescence of carbon dioxide gas. Summary of this experiment. A small piece of sodium metal is added to the beaker contain analyte solution. Sodium metal reacts with analyte solution to produce hydrogen gas. Organic compounds which react with sodium metal to form hydrogen gas is carboxylic acids and alcohols. Listen careful. Organic compounds which react with sodium metal to form hydrogen gas is carboxylic acids and alcohols. A sodium carbonate solution is added to the flask contain analyte solution. Sodium carbonate reacts with analyte solution to produce effervescence of colorless gas which turns limewater milky. Organic compounds which react with sodium carbonate to produce effervescence of colorless gas, which turns limewater milky, is carboxylic acids. Listen careful. Organic compounds which react with sodium carbonate to produce effervescence of colorless gas, which turns limewater milky, is carboxylic acids. Carboxylic acid is confirmed. In the description there are links for testing other organic compounds. Leave comments or questions below and subscribe for more video. Thank you for watching.